and girls, my name is Miss Hannah. Welcome back to day 9 of our summer program. We are kicking off this week with a new theme. This theme for this whole week is all about the ocean. So I'm super excited to dive in to these activities with you guys. Today my activity is animal shapes. So this is very similar to all the geometric animals or the geometric solar system activities. So these are the supplies you'll need. You'll need a white piece of paper as a background. You will need as well different colors of construction paper. If you have scraps, that is amazing. I've been reusing my scraps ever since the very first week. But if you don't have any scraps, that is okay. Make sure that you have enough to do what you want in your kits, okay? And then you will need glue, scissors, and then this is completely optional, but markers, crayons, or colored pencils to color with, okay? But so we are doing our animal shapes with the animals from the ocean, okay? So I'm going to be showing some pictures of the animals that you can do, and you can go back in this video to look back at the photos, or you can have a parent or someone that lives with you help you look up photos of ocean animals that you can create using basic shapes. So I'm just going to dive in and share some fun facts and pictures of these animals. So first up we have is the octopus. Did you know the octopus has 3 hearts and not 1 brain, but 9? They have 9 brains. So I know the hearts, they all help circulate their blood in different directions. And then with their brains, just like us, they have 1 central brain that controls their nervous system. But they have the other 8 brains are actually in each of their 8 legs. And they help control the movement in those legs. So I thought that was really interesting. I did not know that. So the next up is the dolphin. The dolphins, they live in groups that are known as schools or pods. And they have up to 12 dolphins in these groups. So they just always are together. Next up is the shark. So they are scary. I would never want to be around a shark in the ocean. But sharks have their teeth. So like us with sharks, when we lose our baby teeth, we grow a set of permanent teeth, but not with sharks. Sharks, they continuously lose their teeth, and they shed every 8 days. So they have a lot of teeth that they go through. And then next up is the sea turtle. The sea turtle can lay up to 110 eggs every nesting season. So a lot of baby sea turtles. Next up is the lobster. The lobster has 3 stomachs, and teeth are in those stomachs to help digest their food and chew it. And then last but not least is the hermit crab. And then a little quick fact about me is I had hermit crabs as a pet for when I was probably in elementary school, so around probably some of your guys' age. And as you can see, they live in a shell. And the shell helps them with protection and hiding from predators. And it also acts as their home. And if you don't know, hermit crabs do get bigger, but their homes can't grow with them. So their shells do not grow with them. They have to move out of their shell and find a bigger shell to live in. So those are some of the animals that you can choose for your geometric shapes. So here is my example. I chose a hermit crab. And as you can see, I used circles, I used some triangles, I used some rectangles. I didn't really use like a lot of shapes, but I mean, I still got it to work. You just have to play around with it. And then as you can see, I did the optional step. I used markers to create a background and add some details to my hermit crab. I made a smile, and I made the eyeballs, and I wrote the name of my animal. So I am so excited to see what yours turns out to be like. I'm excited to see what your favorite ocean animal is. And remember, once again, you do not have to choose any of these animals that I showed you today. You can choose one that you know lives in the ocean or like outside of the ocean or near it. And yeah, that is my activity for you guys today. I hope you have as much fun as I did creating your animal out of these shapes. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, boys and girls.